take it by tight because it's so exciting. I'm getting that off like that. Can you get it? There we go. We have a whole other side to do. Get it? Good boy. Good boy. Get it? For help. Check it this one. Get that one there. Here. I know we're not getting it open very fast, are we? They put a lot of tape on it for us. That's all I gotta say. We gotta turn it over. I think I got it. I got it. Look. Well, I can't get it open with you there. Ready? Lift that up. What is it? Oh, look at that. I have it. What's it say? What's it say? What's it say right here? Look. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each one of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we are so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you have also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. I sure hope so. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. It really, really is. Congratulations. Thank you on this amazing milestone, just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you, and you do. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. I just want to thank all of my 100,000 plus subscribers. You mean the world to us, and we couldn't have done this without you. Thank you. Hey, let me see. Oh, Chuck. This is what it's all about right here. Yeah, look at. Fox the cutest dog in the West for passing 100,000 subscribers. Thank you, everybody who made this possible. Oh, Fox. You can get it. Show me like it. Thank you for watching.